Alright, here's the top wheels. That's the top left one. And back out a little. This is the top of the bandsaw. This is the top right wheel. They both spin freely, of course. Looks like they need tires, however. This one needs a tire, for sure. And I'm sure this one does too. Yeah, this is the top left wheel. It needs a tire. There's a brand new blade right here in the box. And the blade size, 183 inch. Depth of throat I haven't measured yet, but it looks like it's every bit of 36. Might be 42 or possibly even 48 inches. This saw is taller than I am. I'm 6 feet tall. Let me show you the bottom. Here's the bottom doors, if I can open them. This is the bottom right wheel. Hopefully it'll focus for you. That one. And there's the bottom left one. The lighting and access in here is a little tight, but it's all here. And the plug for the saw is this twist lock, 5-pin, which is a 280 volt 3-phase L21-30. This is an L21-30 plug, whatever that may indicate. Here's the maker plate. Nothing in the voltage slot or manufacturer number. Oh, manufacturer number 810010. Voltage 220. Very good. 223 phase. Enco manufacturing tag. Made in Taiwan. Tension adjustments. This may have something to do with the tightness of the blade. I'm not sure what that lever does. And the cable apparently tilts front to rear as well as left to right, judging by these things underneath. Yeah, so this thing, yeah, so the table tilts in 2 directions. Here's the back of the saw. There's the top. Depth of throat. Here's the base. It's pretty large. I'll give you the dimensions later. But it has a built-in welder and an electrical panel on the back, probably with breakers inside, screwed shut. We'll get with you later on that one. But here is the switch panel, motor lamps, grinder lamps, welder. Hope it focuses. Various push buttons. Here's the blade welder. I'll give you a zoom out shot. I have to do all this manually. There's the blade welder. Alright, hopefully it'll goes like that. And like A. There's the knobs on the bottom, the cranks, the hand cranks. Okay.